We recently launched a virtual version of our upcoming exhibit, Life on a String, The Yale Puppeteers in the Turnabout Theater. The actual physical exhibit, which is items from one of our biggest collections, was supposed to have launched in our Getty Gallery on April 2nd, but of course didn't. And so rather than wait for people to get a view of the objects in the exhibit, we decided to launch a virtual version. There's around 240 or so objects in the actual physical exhibit, and I think we have around 40 or so in the online one. The Yale Puppeteers were three men who in the 1920s met. Two of them met at the University of Michigan, but then they met another gentleman at Yale University, and so it was Foreman Brown, Harry Burnett, and Roddy Brandon were the three men, and they enjoyed performing with puppets and marionettes, and so they formed a traveling troupe. And even though marionettes were thought of as children's entertainment, all three men had this vision of more sophisticated entertainment geared for adults using puppets. Go to exhibits.lapl.org and they can dive in. And in addition to the online exhibit, we recorded an audio tour. And so we haven't posted the entire audio tour online. We're going to hold some of it back for the in-person exhibit, but you can listen to some of the audio tour, which includes some of the snippets of some of the songs.